Today I'm going to talk on law of attraction, but before we start anything, there will be a few things which I want to discuss, and I choose to talk in English because there are a lot of people who cannot understand um, Hindi or other languages. So I'm going to add a few things to add and then talk about it. Before we continue or talking anything further, let me explain in a different way. I'll give you one example to understand. For example, this is something like 100%. If you see a pen which I'm showing you, a small portion which you can see is the actual what you are doing it in every day, in a physical terms or in a practical way. So that create an image about you that people know about you from this angle. Hi Tulai, hi Garima. So whatever we do according to this part, people only know you only that much, which is creating an image about you, and then they know you about you, what you are doing it. But this is very small chunk. It's only 20%, which is everybody is doing it. This is not important. Important is the bigger chunk, which is much longer, it is 80%. And what is that 80%? 80% is what you think about you, what you are thinking about you, what you are thinking about your own self, how you are feeling it about things, how you are perceiving the things. And according to your perception, you are creating an images about your own self, and that create a belief. Whether you do something or you are not doing anything, it's only because of your belief. And this is the bigger chunk. If in just in case if you can't do anything in real terms, like for example, now we are stuck, we are not going out anywhere, we are not doing anything. Hi Dave, very good to see you, long time. Sonam, love you. Songul, Hoş geldiniz. Neeraj, good to see you. You are very good. So the bigger chunk is the another 80%, which is your mental part. If physically we cannot do anywhere, we cannot talk to anybody, we cannot physically or in terms of meeting somebody, but we can do a lot of things in our mind. So now this example, I'm going to use it one more time after a certain period of time. The first thing is we need to talk about the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? How we do? Hi Neeraj. So the first thing is there are 3 simple steps that everybody need to know. The first step is the clarity of your mind. What exactly you want from your life? What exactly you want a help or from the universe or anything? The moment you are clear about it, the more it's going to be working easily. So the first thing is that you need to focus on that part, that what exactly you want from your life. The first step. The second step, Sat Sri Akal, Visakhiyaan Badhaiyan. Hande, hi. Hi Harpal, thank you. Good to see you. So the important part is there. The first thing is the clarity of your mind. You have to be clear in your mind what exactly you want. Second step is attached to the first step clearly, that it should be believable to you. If you think this is believable, it's going to be working very easily. If you are not sure that is going to be happening or not, that means you have a doubts. So you need to be again going back to the step 1 to bring the clarity. So first think about that part, like what exactly you want. Second step is the believability. Third step is none of your business how you gonna do, when you are going to do, what things you need to do that part. Ask the simple question, make it very simpler. Hi Manisha, good to see you, love you so much. So the third part is there, ask, I make it very simpler way. Do you want it or you don't want it? If you want it, go ahead, do it. If you don't want it, ask the simple question, then why I'm thinking about it. Bring the clarity of your mind, what exactly you want. If the answer is yes, then send a thank you note. This is the third step, is the gratitude. We need to send a thank you. We need to send everything which is in our way, in our happening and around us. We need to send a thank you. Hi Zaliha. Aliv. Hello. Hi Manisha. First is the clarity, second is the believability, third is the gratitude. These all three things makes the whole things working or not working. Whether you are believing in something or not, until you are not getting it, this is the part we need to make it believable. Tukai, কেমন আছে? Now, if we cannot do anything further, like in real terms, this is again, I'm bringing this example one more time. For example, now I want to meet people. I want to see somebody who is in, say, Spain. I know the conditions are very, very bad there, and I feel bad about it. Now watch the words, but I am trying to make you understand. As soon as the image comes in my mind that how things are going on, if somebody is there which I think they are under problem or a fear that what's going to happen to them, so what I'm generating about them, when I think about them, what the image I'm creating about that part, the person, say for example in Spain, so this create only fear, and then I generate only sympathy. I generate only pityness about that inshallah, but as we said, that I wish that they will be feeling better. Hi Jitu, welcome. So they'll be like feeling better about themselves as soon as I'm generating that image in my mind. Now this is exactly, I'm going to put it into action, that if I know that person is having some problem, what exactly I need to generate that image? I need to generate exactly the way the person is there. So what is the same thing? Important is the image. When I think about the person and that person have problem, so that means it's going to be making me feel not good about the person. So I'm generating only sympathy. I'm generating only pityness, and it's not improving anything. It's not making me feel better about the person. So what I'm going to do, I need to regenerate the same thing in my mind. The image has to be changed. The image is bothering me, whether the person is there or good or bad or sick or sad or anything. How I feel about the person. Hi Suraya, welcome. Ninik, welcome. Esengul, hoş geldiniz. So if I want to make the person feel better, I need to change that image in my mind. Let me see that the person is safe. Let me take that person to the doctor. In my mind, I'm showing all the mental part, and then see that person is really, really healthy and happy. They test the whole thing, that all the tests got negative, so the person is safe. And now when I change this image into my mind, and what comes back to me makes me feel better, makes me feel relieved. This is what I, in my mind, which I am creating that part, whether it's feeling bad or whether feeling good. All things are happening in my mind, and the way I place myself, the way I feel about it, is going to be easily handling the things. So now, just in case if we cannot do anything in a real terms, I can do it in my mind, anything. I can go to swimming right now while sitting, while talking to you people, and wait it the way I have done it. For example, I used to work in, say, Swiss hotel. This is immediately coming to my mind always. I know the premises, I know the hotel where I used to go and work, and I know how and where everything is placed. So I can straightway go to that area, take off my clothes, take the towels, take the bathrobes, wear it that way, go to that place, and then walk to that back door on the other side where the swimming pool is there. Take off everything, take a shower, take that pan, dip in that water where it is there, check the water that, and then sting, and as much as you can do it. All I am doing it in my mind. It all works how believable you are going to make it. So if you have done something which you have done it previously, before, then everything is going to be wonderful. We are not going to try something which I have never done it in my whole life. If I've done in previous time, anytime, doesn't matter when. So it will be easier. We store everything in our body. In the cellular memory is there, very active and alive, always. All the experiences are stored in our body. So we just need to bring it back in our system and then feel how I'm going to feel it now. So all the people who are connected with me has to be, it's also part of me. You are my reflection when I'm talking about you, when I'm talking about to you all people. Whenever I think about those people who are coming now, yes, I'm associated with everybody. I know you. So how can I feel bad when I see somebody having some problems? I'm not going to feel good about it. I have to take this in my system and regenerating the all images about those people, at least in my link, in my world. So those people who are connected with me are safe, because this is what I want to feel about myself and about my world. So where is the fear then? Where is the worry? There is only joy. There's hundreds of people now these days are making me fall in love with them very easily. The kind of people they are singing, or the kind of people they are painting, or they are doing some small things, or people who are spreading joy and love, and the people they are expressing everything so well. Hemant, he's really wonderful, explaining everything so well in that way. Jitu, such a wonderful person. This is the joy of watching them whenever you want it. These are the people who are doing meditation. They are doing something like watching or walking anywhere. Jayant, very good. How are you? Hope you are doing well and safe. Aythin, hoş geldiniz. So the point is that we need to first be clear in our mind what exactly I want. Second, I need to make it believable. And third, I need to send a thank you note for bringing it into my life. Simple 3 rules. And then the more we make it believable, the more it's going to be working easily. The more I'm going to make it more on that area. And because this is your own plan, so there is there is no problems, there is no uncertainties, there's no like why it's going to be there, there's no logic. And about the logic also, logic don't have their own logic, brain don't have their own brain. Brain is what we are watching, what we are thinking, and what I think, the brain will accept it. So I can cheat my brain very easily. It's just the thoughts that it's making it more working or not working. Hi Dennis, Songul. Hope you're fine and safe in US. Good to see you. Belur. And what is the what we are saying, the images which is building us is our belief. And what is belief? Belief is a bunch of thoughts. And the best part, thoughts can be changed anytime. All you need to bring is the new belief, the new thoughts you can bring it, which is converting into a new belief, and then you can handle anything. If you are only focusing on that part, that's, as I said in my last video also, this is my golden rule. It should be your rule also. Please remember this, it helps. Focus only on those things which you want in your life. Don't give a damn or shit which you don't want in your life. If you want a peace in our world, let's focus on the peace then. If you want everybody should be healthy and happy, let's focus on healthy and happy part. If you focus there is everybody who have abundance, who have joy, definitely is going to be like this way. Hi Gita. Hi Gusti. So it's going to be working so easily the moment we are bringing clarity to our mind and make it believable. And then keep on sending a thank you note. Thank you for making it work. Thank you for making it joy. Thank you for making it bringing people, good people around me, which makes me believe in more and more strength and joy. Hi Brijesh. Thank you for coming. It's good to see you all people. You all are doing so well, and that makes everybody, strengthening everybody's power, that yet everybody is more positive, more concerning about each other, and then working hard for everybody. Hi Gita. So I'll make it more simpler, I'll make it more easier instead of doing it more difficult. Wherever there is anything, just please try to catch your thoughts, what you are thinking these days. At least 3-4 times, if not like every hour, at least 2-3 times in a day, because we have plenty of time these days now. So just sit quietly and then watch your thoughts, what kind of thoughts you have. If we have thought which is just generating fear, so then immediately ask the question, do you want this or you don't want this in your life? If answer is yes, keep on enjoying the fear thoughts. If answer is no, I don't need this fear, then immediately cut that thought, release it, If I don't want this thought, then why I'm thinking? Why I'm focusing on this fear part, which is bringing more anxiety, more phobia, more fearful things, that I can't even watch it, anything. I can't focus on anything. I can't enjoy my life. This is so easy, that how the people get carried away with those other people who what they are thinking. Instead of focusing on what they are thinking, we need to focus on what we are thinking. Alex, good to see you. How lovely to see you. It's been a long time. Shadab, Adab, good to see. Sone, Murat abi, huh? Very good. I'm happy. Zarife, nas gidiyor. Hope you are safe. Everybody is safe, no need to worry. The only thing I'm saying again and again, please don't take everything so seriously. Nargis, love you so much. I hope you are fine. I'm sure you are fine. I'm not hoping, I'm sure. Yes, love you too. Thank you so much. Give my love to Sue Songul also, and your lovely daughter. So good to see you. You are doing really well. I'm very proud of you. You all people are very important. You all people are very, very. Yes. Yes, I'm at home. Yes, I'm not going out anywhere. It's been 1 month that we are staying home, trying to manage, trying to talk to as many people. Yeah, I need to show you something more. How we gonna produce something which just click you feel better about yourself. I'll give you some examples. This is we call in Turkish more lahana. This is, we have a cabbage. It's a purple cabbage that we use for yes, Dave. Yes, exactly. It's been long years. So normally we do, and then we just take a small piece. I took it and I put it in a glass, plastic used glass, old glass, and I just put some water and then leave it. And after 10 days, this is the growth. Can you see that? This is after almost like 10 days. And there's another one also, 2 more small pieces are growing now. So I think it's now time to, I'll leave it outside in my garden. I'll put it in the soil to grow slightly better, because now I can see the roots are also coming out now. So it's growing really well. So same is like onion. I'm taking 1 or 2 example. I have 7, 8 at my kitchen. I'm just growing in my kitchen and not going out anywhere. And how we do, like normally when we take the see, normally we cut this part and then throw, but now I'm cutting slightly bigger and put it in the water and leave it. Now this can grow very easily in this is like 3 days growth. Now a bit of more, when I wait it, then I can cut it, I can use it in my salad, I can use it in my omelette or soups or whatever I'm making it, I can use it. It's just an example. And by watching them, it's also a joy, because I put it there, it's my own effort in front of me. Even a small tiny green piece can lift your all energy so well, that you are liking so good, that how wonderful it to see that part. Doesn't matter that you're going to eat that much enough or not, it's enough for the whole family or not, doesn't matter, but the joy of connecting with those things. Hi Ebru, Aishe, Dario, thank you so much for coming. The point is that to keep you busy in a connectivity and then the productivity, and then see and watching that part to grow, so that you are using your own energy in that part and make you feel proud of you. You have to feel proud. This is the wonderful time, which the best part about Corona is it's connecting people more better. It's making the whole world better. The nature is growing so well. The animals, the birds are happy. We can see wonderful clouds. We can see wonderful sky, much cleaner, much fresh air. The quality is much better. I think the nature needs it better. So we need to promise to ourselves that I will look after myself better. I will take care about myself and my surrounding. I will take care of about my nature, about my people, which I am connected. This is what we need to do. Hi Prachi, good to see you. The only thing is that we need to, instead of ignoring it, or instead of suppressing it, or instead of creating a fear or creating a problems, it's not going to make anybody happy. It's not going to make us happy. So why to feel bad about it when I'm not going to do anything good about my own self? The first thing is to use this law of attraction of connecting those people. At least connect with those who you know them well. This is my own simple way, that if somebody in Brazil, or somebody in any other country where I have never been to, or Congo, or any other, I'm just giving any randomly names, the image will not be clear in my mind that somebody will there, or all people of the world should be happy. Nobody will be happy, because there's nothing, no create a clear image in my mind. But if now I'm reading it that, okay, Ebru is there, Aisha is there, or Dario, or Prachi, yes, I know them. If I say those people should be happy, now the image is clear in my mind. The whole connection, the whole energy which is going, I'm connecting to them, is direct connections. It's definitely making it more better. And now the way of using will be that in my mind, I'm saying it. Mentally you can reach to them, anybody, and mentally you can make them happy. Mentally you can make them healthy, strong, vibrative, more joyful people. So that it's also coming back to you, and then you feel wonderful about them. So we are changing the images. We need to focus on the image, not on the person. Image is bothering us. If anybody is threatening us, or anybody is feeling bad about it, hi Manish, we'll talk again after a few minutes. I tried to reach you a few times, but you were busy. No problem, we'll talk more. So the point is that we need to focus on that area which is bothering us. And whenever we are talking, whenever we are connecting with anybody, whenever I want to feel, I can create that state image in my mind and then make it work, make it feel better. So that the joy of bringing back to me when it comes, it makes me feel good about myself. Hi Sangya, good to see you. Love to talk to you sometime, whenever we'll get a chance. I'm very, very proud of you, especially about your photography, about your other things. I really want to appreciate and acknowledge this part, that you are really, really making me always feel joy. I'm very proud that I know you. There are so many people in my life which makes me feel really proud, which makes me feel really, really wonderful. And I really want to say I love you with all my joy, with all my respect. Gokche, hi. Anita, very good. Sat Sri Akal, Vaisakhi ਦੀਆਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ. The law of attraction that we are making it, the people can achieve anything. People can make anything possible. People can do anything there, which is the only three basic steps. First is the clarity, second is the believability, third is the same gratitude. Believe that is happening in my eyes, happening in myself, happening in my things. I'm fine, Anita. Vadiya, sab vadiya. So we need to just bring in the clarity and then making it more to make it work. That how we're gonna do it, how you're gonna bring it into our life. Whatever we are thinking, the more we are thinking on few things, the more you're going to achieve everything, the more you're going to get everything well. It's really, really wonderful how people are growing, how people are connecting with everybody, how people are taking care of everything, how people are worried about that part which is not directly connecting with them. But that's also a joy. That's also a kind of a looking after to our earth, our planet, to making it feeling better. Hi Seema, good, thank you. So I'm going to add a few exercises also as I want to carry something from this. The first is the clarity part, that we need to think, and because it's your own plan, so there is no problem, there is no logic that is going to happen or not, is going to work or not. The more we send and focus on that area, the more we bring the clarity and the passionate part. We need to feel passionate about it. It's going to work. So today's exercise will be, we need to make this world also beautiful. So let's start from this basic beautifying part. Choose area of your surrounding. It's all mental exercises. We don't need to do anything real. We don't need to do anything in practical way in other thing. So the only part we need to do, choose any area, take some seeds or real plants or anything and then grow it. We need to plant some wonderful flowers. Choose any flowers, beautiful flowers. Hi Sunita, hi Niti, Christian, welcome. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. We're gonna connect it. So today's task is there. It's all mental exercise. You just need to choose some flowers, grow where you want to grow. It can be nearby, it can be somewhere in anywhere, any part of the world. Yes, the passion is the key, of course. So and bring the joy, bring that wonderful joy, that how you gonna feel about it, how you see that when I'm putting up light, like the same example I gave it. In just 3 days, I grow this much. Now it's wonderful when I see that grow, the green plant which is growing up in front of me. This is the real example I'm giving it. But instead of doing it that way, I can just put it anything. I can grow tulips, I can grow say roses, I can grow orchids, I can grow pansies. There is hundreds of variety that can be there. Hi Ayla, Nimet, hoş geldiniz. So we need to see that from the beginning as I grow, and from the first step, how it's slowly spreading the small seeds and then converting into small plants and small green leaves, and then slowly growing slightly bigger and then making flowers and then bigger flowers, and everywhere around me is only flowers. My choice, my favorite flowers, the way I want it, the same flower which I wanted in my life. I want to grow only flowers around me. So there is no bad things, there's no bad smell, it's a wonderful smell. Whoever going to come into my life, into my world, which has only flowers, are going to wonderfully want to stay there, wants to be there in that part and wants to enjoy that part. Hi Selma. We just want to grow that part. It's a simple mental exercise which you can do it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, as much long as you want it, only that part, and then grow choose your flowers as per your circumstances. If you want to logically think, if you want to see the weather is not for this flower, that we can have only say sunflowers, or it's not possible to grow sunflowers, I really want it, or I just want to have pansy, or I don't want to have orchid, it's not the season of orchid, maybe roses. So this logic also is acceptable. We are not going to question that part. We just need to feel joy. It's my world, it's my area, it's my plan, it's my decision, and I'm going to make it the way I want it. I don't need any permission. All those people, I'm giving you hugs right now. It's me who want to feel good about me, and I don't need any permission from anybody. I'm going to really feel good about myself. I can feel good anytime. There's no limit. Hi Gunul, how are you? So the question is that start from the beginning, start from the small thing which is believable, so that we are not going to question anything. Start going to see and focus on those things which is in your limits, within your own part. Yeah, it's so very easy. Start from the small thing. So focus only on those things which you can see. Make the plan as small as you can, where you can see the top. Don't make the plan very high where you cannot see the top. So there are so many things to achieve. We're going to have some excuses and we're going to leave it. Start from the very small, very beginning, very small, as comfortably as you can may. Murat Abi, welcome. Hoş geldiniz. Good people. I learn a lot from you. So the question is that how clear we are, how focusing on that area, and how we make it work easily. This is a simple way. Instead of getting so many things step by step, first just a simple thing, how we're going to do about it. We're going to add a few things later on, slowly. I'm going to add a lot of small things. Maybe somebody asked me about it. Hi Rima. Somebody asked about me for the guided meditation that I do. So we can do a journey, we can wonderful go for a holiday everybody together. We can go for a fishing, we can go for a mountaineering, or we can go to a forest and then enjoy the silence and peace. In all details, we can do wonderful things. I can take you to India, everybody, to my area, and we can do wonderful meditation in terms of traveling to different places, or enjoying the visualization, or enjoying the imagination that we can do and enjoy the world, and choosing those things which makes us happy, cutting down all the extra branches which we don't want it. In our world, there is no place for fear. There's no place for anxiety. There's no place for hate. There's no place for any judgmental part, any insecurities. We don't need this. We can survive without that also. We have enough people around us. I'm happy with those people who are in my life. So I don't want to have anything less or more. We can do anything which is getting better. So why not? I'm just growing my world bigger and bigger. Those people who are coming to me, I'm really proud of them. This makes me joyful, how the people are handling, how the people are growing, how the people are learning, how the people are really enjoying their life passionately. Every day, this one single man, Ajay, my junior, and he and his daughter, they are watching, they are singing, they are playing tabla, they are playing music, painting. I have seen so many people who are painting and then enjoying that part. It's a wonderful cooking. They are loving the cooking part. It's such a joy of watching everybody happy around us. This is real. We can make it even bigger and better. This is the only I'm going to learn this part during this part, the coronavirus crisis. It's a wonderful time. It's a wonderful time that we start connecting more than before. I'm talking to so many people every day now, which now it's been many years. One of my old friend, now he's a principal in a school in Punjab, and we are just few times we talk on Facebook or write to each other few times. Few days ago, and he was writing something. I said, let's not connect with each other. Oh, how wonderful the guy is. He's teaching, he's writing so wonderful poems and poetry in our language, in English and in Punjabi. It was wonderful. It's really make me thrilled, joy, feeling proud about myself, how we are connecting. Gulair, you are also one of it. I'm very happy about you. There are so many things are going on, some wonderful things are going on that we need to see, we need to focus, we need to stick with that part which makes us happy. It's my choice. Nobody is forcing me to be happy or not to be happy. Hi Subhadra. Again, one more very good actor and very good person, which I'm very proud of. It's very happy to see you also. Doris, love you. Thank you for your flowers. Yes, we're gonna meet one day. Anything which is bothering, anything which is affecting us or having any clarity, very simple. Stop right there and ask the question. Ask a very simple question. Do you want this in your life or you don't want? Do you want this? If there is a happiness, joy, anything good, anything positive, and the answer is yes, I like it, go ahead. Enjoy the life. But if answer is no, I don't want this, it's so much of fear, it's so much of anxiety, so much of bad things, okay, cut immediately. Then why I'm thinking about it? Simple. The more you keep things simple, the more things will be easier. The more we are complicating by adding a lot of logics in the logic has not logic. Why we are doing? If I ask what is your favorite color, you come up with some color. Okay, I like yellow. But I have no logic why I like yellow. If I say what color, you keep it on the last, that the least preferred color, maybe brown or gray or something like that. But why I don't like, I still don't have any answer to it. It's just the belief, it's just the thing that I don't like it. There's no meaning for it. Because I'm just giving example and believing in it. And slowly, the same thing, once we are focusing on something and unconsciously we are holding, which convert into a belief, then it's not going to make you accept or do anything. We can change it anytime. It's just the thinking. It's just the thinking that how we are giving attention and how we are thinking about that part and start believing in it. And this is the easiest way. Instead of doing and focusing on the real part, the practical way, let's focus on the mental part, which is the bigger. Get a better command on this bigger part. How we are doing it, how you are thinking about it. I can talk to anybody without talking real. So there is no judgmental. People are feeling bad because they start feeling that what will they think? And that creates fear. So instead of trying something, I will withdraw myself. I'm not going to even try. I can talk to that person in my mind. It's possible. It's easy. I can go to a mountaineering even I feel I am not fit. I can climb to a tree. Hi Serap. Narendra. Hello, how are you? Raman, one more wonderful, joyful person which I have wonderful respect and love. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming into my life also. It's wonderful to see those people. So for example, if I want to climb a tree and I don't think so I'm young enough or I'm strong enough, I can handle this part or not, but I can do it in my mind. I know I have done it in my previous times when I was 7, 8, 10 years old, 12 years old, 15 years old. I can do it anytime. I don't need any permission now. All I need to choose the tree which I want to climb. I need to enjoy that part. Is it a mango tree that I want to go and grow and then pick up that mangoes and eat it and enjoy it? What I wanted. The only thing is I need to be clear. I need to be sure what makes me happy. And I don't need anything, any permission from anybody. It's so easy to bring joy to yourself. Only the clarity can make it more. The more you are passionate, the more you are clear, the more it will be easy to do it. It's as simple as that. So for today's part, again, those people who are joining in later on, slightly late, I'm going to repeat a little bit. Hi, Raman. We are talking about law of attraction, how it works. So the first, there are only 3 steps. I make it simpler rather than making it more elaborated or complicated. The first point is the clarity of your mind. What exactly you want? Please be asking your question. What exactly you want from your life? So just be sure about it. Second part is attached to the first part. How believable? It should be believable for you. If you don't believe it's going to work, it's not going to work. That means you have a doubt. A doubt means you have to go back to your first point and then bring the clarity. So the moment you are going to bring in clarity, the more it's going to be working easily. So it has to be believable for you. Third step is none of your business when it's going to happen. What you should do. How many times you have to do it. Ask the simple question again. The same part, I'm going to repeat it again. Do you want it or you don't want it? Make it simple. If answer is yes, then add a gratitude and say thank you for bringing this into my life. If answer is no, then simply cut it part and immediately cut it out of your body, of your life. Why I'm thinking then. Hi Bingul. Oh, so much love around me today. So much love. Love you so much. There is another one, very, very happy soul, very, very joyful soul that I love to think whenever I'm feeling not good about anything. There are so many people who are giving me a lot of good strength. She's also one of it. Bingul, really love you so much with the joy, with the happiness. So if I'm coming back to the same thing, if there is anything that is bothering you that you are not sure about it, ask the question to bring the clarity. If you are clear about it, that yes, I want it. A few more things I'm going to add it. Please never wish for anybody. Never wish for yourself, never wish for anybody else. Why? Because wishes have doubts in it. That means we are not sure about it. If you have a pain in your shoulder or have any problems, we normally will say, oh, maybe one day you will get better, or inshallah, that we'll say here. That means we are not sure, we are not clear about it. Instead of doing something like this way, so for example, one of my friends who say, oh Jaspal, I have this problem, what should I do? So I immediately, what comes to my mind, the person's image bothers me. That means it's creating either fear, that I'm worried that somebody has some problem or sickness. So then the image will be again to just create a kind of a, yes, love you so much. The image will be again to create only sympathy or a pityness. So I'm not going to feel good about the person. Now I need to use this law of attraction to put it into action, and then reverse the whole thing, create the image which is making me feel happy. Let me see the person have very strong shoulder now. So what kind of things, the activity they can do it with the strong shoulder? They can lift heavy weight easy. They are playing tennis very, very good. They are carrying heavy anything, weight or anything, or a suitcase, or they are making anything. All the opposite, which I think or they think it's not possible, or it's not going to be happening or doing it. Let me reverse it and see they are very strong. They are carrying a dog and for a walk, and then dog is very big dog and holding it with one hand, and which is very strong hand, and the dog cannot move at all. Now we change the image, and now when I see those things that this is happening now, definitely I'm going to feel good about the person. I clear that image, and now I bring a new image in my mind which opens my channel of energies. So I am helping me first, and then this joy which I am creating for the person will also help the person. I am responsible for me. Your journey starts with you. Next of everybody comes at number 2. And whether you stay in the toilet, whether you stay in the New Zealand, Holland, America, Canada, Japan, anywhere in the world, you cannot run away from you. So the more you accept you as you are, the more it's going to be better. We need to accept that part. We need to bring the joy as much as we can. And that makes us better human beings also, and as well as growing in a good way, helping anybody and around us, and making a better society, better human beings, better people around us, and feel proud about everybody. I'm really feel proud of almost everybody who are coming into my life. Like they said in a simpler way, whoever comes into our life, they have some reasons who are coming. Some people come for a reason, that means they are going to teach something, or I'm going to learn something from that part. And even now, this is again a kind of a clarity and the philosophy that I believe. Now I'm talking to you, but I'm not talking about to you only. I'm listening to my words also. So when I say something, if it hurts somebody, it's going to hurt me also. When I say something good, it's going to be feeling good about me also. So the choice is my choice. If I consciously, unconsciously try to do something bad about somebody, I can clear it up immediately. So that consciously I'm going to be focusing on that part which makes me feel better. The judgmental part on my side will be less and less. So that I'm not going to bothered about it, that what I'm doing it, what I'm making it. So we are going to add a few exercises, as I said before also. So today's exercise is for everybody. Create some around the system, the kind of place around you. It can be a garden, it can be anywhere, or forest, or anywhere where you are connected. Choose your own choice of flowers and grow your flowers around you. Choose the best flower around you. It could be the best tulips, it could be the best roses, it could be the best orchids, or anything, the pansies, or whatever you want it. Grow a lot of flowers around you these days now, and feel proud of your flowers. Share your flowers with everybody. There's abundance. They are never running short of flowers. We have lot of flowers around us. And part of me is also sharing that way, where I am growing my own flowers. I'm going to create more flowers around me, only flowers. This is my choice. You just stick with your choice and make you feel better about it. It's as simple as that. And we are going to add the law of attraction also. I'm going to add every day a few things related with the law of attraction. The basic philosophy, I make it to boil down as simpler as it can be. So just 3 steps, focus on that part and put into action. Choose something that you want to do or you want to achieve. Focus on that part. Are you sure about it? How passionate you are about thinking about it? And make it believable. Yes, it's possible. Yeah, I have done it many times. Send a thank you note. And as I said, instead of wishing only, no wishing. Make it clear, make it more that part. Hi Ilknur, another guy, another person. Very, very happy. I'm very happy. You're also doing really, really well. I'm very proud of you, Ilknur. Seviyorum sana. So, law of attraction, growing the plants and bringing the clarity to your mind. And we'll add some question and answer also. If somebody wants to say or ask something, I as far as whatever I know, as per my knowledge, I can answer you in that way, or I can add more things, or um, breathing, we can do some breathing also. I can teach, I can make it more easy how the basics of correct breathing, or how we can correct your breathing patterns, how you breathe. We can do that also in a better way, in a good way. That can be also done. Sharing something joyful, grow something, like I show you something a few minutes ago. I'm gonna show it again. This is wonderful. I'm very proud of this which I'm growing it. So small simple thing, more lahana. This is purple cabbage that we normally, a small piece of purple cabbage. You can see it more clear here, and there are already 3-4 pieces are growing up out here. A simple, you can see it here, the onion. We have garlic, we have ginger. I'm growing beetroot, carrots. I have some normally what we do, what we say, potato also we try to grow. I don't know what kind of leaves is going to produce it, but we can see the green rounded part. It's very wonderful to see. It's the joy. This is the joy of Raman. This is the joy of watching something around us which is changing our energy, making us feel wonderful and making us feel proud of you. And about the corona, instead of giving too much attention, which is only creating fear, let's not focus only on the fear part. Yes, we need to take precautions. We are drinking hot water, taking more steam, gargle. And as I in the previous time also, I gave you this small exercise. This is the rib cage on the stern, on the area, and then the sternum is there. This is the in between or your chest. Hi Ayla. So we just need to massage on these areas, each and every point, at least 2-3 seconds, as much as we can do, slowly and slowly, at least 3 sets. So go up and down 1 set, up and down 2, up and down 3, as much as we can do. So this will open up your diaphragm. This will make you breathe easy. So the heart palpitation on the will be easy. Pressure on the heart will be released. It will make you breathe easy, opening up your diaphragm, and this will clear all the fear, phobia, doubt, restless. विसाखी ਦੀਆਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ, ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਬਾਅਦ. Hardeep, love you so much. So we focus only on that area will make you release much more easier and making you more feeling better about your own self. So the less fear will be there, the easy you can concentrate, easy you can do anything or focus on anything, and then handling everything so well. So it's easy. Breathe more, drink more hot water, more gargle, more अतुल सर कैसे हैं आप? Very good to see you. This is again wonderful inspiration. Love you so much. Love you so much for that part. I learn a lot from you. It's the initial stage of my time in Chandigarh that we work together. Wonderful. Love you so much. Bless you. Stay happy and stay healthy. They are safe. They are wonderful people. I really am very proud of that part. So we are going to use this law of attraction. Manju Shri, good to see you. Welcome. Focus only on that part which you want. Make it believable and send a thank you note, gratitude, so that we are going to add it more, whatever you want. And today's task, I'm going to repeat it again. Hi Manju. We have to choose a place around us. It's a mental exercise, nothing in the real term. Like Atul sir, you have already so many flowers. I'm very happy whenever I see. Doris, yes, whenever I see. So today's task is to choose a place around you and choose the choice of your own flowers, your interested flowers, with the way you want it, and grow them. Grow them around you, so many flowers of your choice in your mind, and see them growing slowly and slowly, and then all the flowers, all the colors that you choose. If you want a specific colors, you want bigger, smaller, it's all your plan, it's all your part, that how you want it. So no need to worry, no need to see that part, focusing only on that area, and it's growing better and better, which has a good energy, which has a joy, which has a peace, which has fun to see them, and making it more, growing that part. So I'm going to multiply everything around us. All those people who are connecting to me are good people, are my people, my world, and they are safe. They are very safe, they are very happy, they're very joyful people in that area. So is there any question for anybody? You can write, or you can ask, we can take that also. Or if you have seen the previous one also, I'm going to repeat the same thing also, and then adding it more. And the next topic also I'm going to declare, and we can talk on that area, and then repeating a few things more. Or you can just write in that also. After this live chat and conversation, I can read that part, and I can comment on it also. And from time to time we are doing meditation also. Please do that at your own places. Share your energy, share your joy, and from time to time, whenever you feel like, you can send me any message or inbox or anything. I can connect you spiritually from my place, and I can send you some Reiki or distance healing. Normally full moon we try to do. Recently we did it. It was very wonderful experience. So I'm going to connect it from time to time, wherever, whoever wants to come. Amit, good to see you. So take care, have a wonderful time, enjoy this crisis time, enjoy this isolated time, enjoy staying with your own self, thinking about your own part. At least bring something new in your own self, bring something skill and which you feel proud of you, and focus on that part to grow even better, and share it with everybody, connecting with everybody who are around you, who are your own world, which making it even better than before. Thank you so much for being in my life, being in my world, which is really wonderful. I'm very happy and proud of this. Love you so much. Take a very good care. Big warm hugs to everybody. Stay calm and stay happy.